Hello, again welcome to this new amazing video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create shorts video from long video URL. This tool much faster from any tools. You only need to paste your long video URL. And you will get 10 short videos. We will use new free AI tool for generating shorts video. Now, let's start the video. Step 1. Click on the description link. Now we on Klap website. Click on login button. And sign up your account. Alright, we have Klap dashboard. Step 2. Copy your long video URL. And paste here. Now click on generate button. That's it. You can see Klap starting generating shorts videos. It will take 30 minutes to generating your shorts. Let's come back after 30 minutes. After 30 minutes. Now you can see your shorts video generated. Step 3. Edit your video. If you not want to edit your video, you can skip this step and go for next. Now go to your shorts and choose one. Click edit button. You can edit. You can edit your video length, caption, and style. If you see your short video more than 1 minute, let's crop it. You can edit your captions here. And you can change video style and caption style here. After complete editing, go to next step. Step 4. Click export button. And choose your option what you want. And click export. You can see Klap started reporting your video. Let's see how look this short video.
Once upon a time, in a small town nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Ethan. He was known by many as the sad boy, because he always seemed lost in his thoughts, carrying a heavy weight in his heart. Ethan had experienced his fair share of pain and disappointment, which made it difficult for him to let people into his life. However, fate had something unexpected in store for him.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.